Let me show you how to fade out a harsh skin line and make doing a skin fade easy. Put in your open blade barrier and then close the lever a little bit, then go to just under the open blade barrier line and flick out. Close it a little bit more, go up through the skin line up to just a little bit lower and flick out. Close it more, and as you can see that every time I'm closing it, I'm coming down a little bit lower, go through and flick out. Close it even a little bit more now, and now I'm just flicking out the skin line, making sure that I'm going through the grains of his hair like a comb through hair. I go over it a few times just to make sure it's out. I stop, look at it, I can still see a little bit of a line, so I'm going over that little bit of line, just a little bit more, but now I'm just going to leave it because you don't want to overdo it. Just go through the haircut as usual, with a 1.5 going up, making sure to comb the hair out, then drop down to the number 1. This part becomes very easy when you fade out that skin line properly. So my advice to you guys is to spend a bit of time fading out that skin line, and then everything else you will find flows seamlessly. I find being calm in a haircut makes the haircut come out better. That's why I've left this little line till the end. You will find that when you leave things like this to the end, it feels easier to fade and less stressful. You've been in a cut with Slidercuts. Make sure to send it to someone who will be helpful for, and don't forget to like and leave a comment underneath, please.